Welcome back, writers. Thanks for listening to the story about something that you are thankful for. I went ahead and made a list of all the things that the author told us that they were thankful for in their story. Some things that I noticed they were thankful for were having just day and night, to be thankful that you made it through a whole day and you made it through the whole day safely and alive. You could be thankful for flowers. You could be thankful that you have crayons. Some kids, in other countries, they don't have crayons, and look at all the different colors you get to choose from. You might be thankful for the stars at night. It gives you something pretty to look at up into the sky. You might be thankful for wishes, such as, I wish I could have a sleepover, or I wish I could just see my friends in school. Maybe you're thankful for toy trains, like the author mentioned, or any of your favorite toys. Maybe you're just thankful for your mom and dad, that you have someone that loves you and cares for you and brought you into this world. Maybe you're thankful for hugs and kisses, or maybe parades. Maybe you're thankful to go on walks in the park, or you're thankful for that light that lights up the room when it's dark. I don't like the dark, so I'm really thankful for the light. Maybe you're thankful for snowflakes that fall and you can stick your tongue out and you can catch them on the tip of your tongue. Maybe you're just thankful of being together. I know many of us aren't able to be together with the people we want to right now, but it's just what we need to do for our safety. Maybe you're thankful for ice cream or even the sprinkles on top. You could be thankful for stories that are read to you, for the water you might get to see at the beach or the water you get to play in your tub. Maybe you're thankful for the sand that you get to walk in. Or maybe you're just thankful that you can hold hands with someone special in your family, maybe when you're at the park or you're at the store or just watching TV at night. That's always a great feeling. Your job today, writers, you can choose one of these topics that the author gave to us, or you can choose your own topic. What are you truly thankful for? I want you to take a couple minutes just to think about that before you start your writing. I'm going to be doing my writing, and then you are going to be doing yours and taking a picture and then putting it right on Google Classroom. The first thing that you do always is you put your name up on the top, being careful to remember which letters are tall letters, which letters are small letters, and which letters fall below the line. Now, I'm using a marker. I am only using a marker so that it's easier for you to see on the camera. You should always be using a pencil in case you want to erase or if you're just trying something out new. The next thing that you have to do, you have to try to think about what you're actually going to say. I shouldn't just start my writing out right away. Instead, I want to think what it is I'm going to say. I want to say it maybe to someone in my family. I want to at least say it to myself. And I want to say it as I put my finger on the paper and make sure that that's really what I want. So I'm going to be thankful that, taking my moment to think, I am thankful that I have all of this wonderful technology so I can still connect with you. So instead of me just writing, I have technology so I can connect with you, I have to put it in a sentence that makes sense. So most of us are going to start today's writing in, I am thankful for. There's those 4 words. I am thankful for. I'm going to start by using my crayon and I'm going to write those lines on my paper so I can get ready to plan my writing. I am thankful for, and now I need to decide what I'm thankful for. Technology so we can still be together. So I said it in my mind. I just said it to you. Now I'm going to say it to myself while I count on my fingers. I am thankful for technology so I can connect with you. Now that's a lot of words. So what I like to do I like to break it up into little pieces. So far I have 4 lines. You should probably never put more than 5 lines down at a time because you start to forget what it is that you said. So I know I need to write, I am thankful for. So I'm going to write my first word. I know it's a sight word, so I have to make sure I write that correct every time. I am, and I can do my roller coaster if I need to. Mm, mm. So I hear that sound first. Mm, mm. I'm going to go back to the beginning and start again so I make sure I know what each line is for. I am thankful. Thankful. So I'm going to hear right away that that has 2 syllables. Thankful. So I'm going to take the word thank and take the word full, and I'm going to put them together to spell the word thankful. That first sound is a hard one. If you're not exactly sure, well, what letter makes that sound, you can always look at that little helper page, and is just like the same sound as thought. So I'm going to use that T and H. I am ache, ache. I'm not sure if it's a C or a K, so I'm just going to put a C because I know for sure that it makes that sound. I am thankful for. I'm going to use my roller coaster. Over. Over. Oh, that actually makes the O there. I'm actually saying the letter. So do you remember what I said I was thankful for? Technology, so we can see each other. I am thankful for technology, so we can see each other. Notice how I said it out loud. Now I need to say my sentence. I am thankful for, it's time for me to figure out how many lines to write, technology, so we can. I think I'm going to stop there. I am thankful for. Now I'm going to do the next 4 words. Technology, so we can. Technology, so we can. I'm going to stop with my lines. I have 4 of them. I need to put some words onto those lines before I move on. I am I never finished my word full. I'm glad I went back and reread that. Thankful. Thank. Oh. Now I got it. Thankful for technology. I have no idea how to spell technology, but I do know that it has some syllables. Technology. Technology. So I just broke that word into 4 pieces. Tech. T. Ek. T. Ek. I don't know if it's a C or a K, but I know that K makes that k sound, so that's what I wrote. I am thankful for technology. Oh. I don't remember which letter says ah. I'm going to look on my chart. Mouse. Octopus. That's the same that I need to hear. Technology. G. That's like a U because I hear and G. I think I'm just saying the letter G. So I think I'm going to write that. Do you see how long that word was? That word was really long, but because I broke it up into its syllables, it made it a little easier for me. I'm going to go back to the beginning so I make sure I know what goes on each line. I am thankful for technology. So, I think that's kind of like g-o. So instead of g-o, I'm writing s-o. S-o. So, I am thankful for technology. So, that's a sight word, and I know that it's right on my word wall. We, W-E, we. So I'm going to write that. W-E. I don't remember that word. I'm going to go back to the beginning. I am thankful for technology. So we can. That's a sight word too. Look at that. And there's the word can. Can. C-A-N. C-A-N. Now it's time for me to add some more lines. Let me go back and see what I wrote. I am thankful for technology so we can, was it see each other or be together? Well, it doesn't matter what I was going to write. What matters is what I'm ready to write now. I am thankful for technology so we can see each other. I think I like that better. See each other. See each other. So now I'm going to write my lines. See each other. All right, I'm ready to do my writing. I always go back to the beginning. I am thankful for technology so we can be, 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 be. I think it's just be. I don't know. I'll go back to the beginning, see my next word. Or no, I was supposed to write see. Okay, I'm just going to cross off my mistake, and I can write the word see because it's a sight word that I know. S-E-E. I am thankful for technology so we can see each, each, ch, ch. I don't remember what sound says ch, 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 ch. It's not any of these sounds. I'm going to check on the inside. Sh, ch, ch, chair. Yeah, so I need the C and the H. I am thankful for technology so we can see each other. I am thankful for technology so we can see each other. 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 I don't hear the in any of these sounds here. I'm going to look here. Dress, chair, truck, thought. You know, this one also says the sound th, like your thumb. So it's actually supposed to be th, but that didn't help me out much. Maybe mom or dad could have helped you out with that one. Each, the, Er. And I'm going to put an exclamation mark there because I am really excited to tell you that. I am thankful for technology so we can see each other. I look forward to seeing your detailed pictures that you are drawing. Remember those pictures? I should see who is in your story. I should be able to see the setting or where you are. And I should be able to see what's happening in the story. So I need to see who is there, where you are, and kind of what is going on in your story. So on mine, I'm going to show 2 houses with computers in both houses and boys and girls in each house. And maybe I'll even draw my house, or maybe I'll draw me on the computer. I have so many decisions to make before I can draw my picture. I look forward to seeing what you guys have. Remember to post your picture on the Google Doc that is provided, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next week.